Hello guys, welcome back to Wale React, and today I'll be ready to go to episode 204. The last episode ended when Naruto, Sasuke and Jigen are about to face off, and it is very intense and I can't wait for it. Though I know how the fight ended, I have watched it before, I know you guys all know it. Jigen kicked their ass really bad, but that was in the manga. I am yet to see how it is in the anime. I am so excited for how it is animated. And also now, the latest chapter for Boruto has come out, though I really did not enjoy the chapter like before, but still it was an interesting chapter. But I think I might stop reading Boruto manga for now. The reason is because I don't want to be spoiled on anything that happens to Boruto in the future, because now I already know what will happen, so I won't be as excited as I'm supposed to be when I am yet to know the result of the fight. Though I am still excited to know how it was animated, but still the excitement is not how as it was when I read the manga. And now for now, I think I find the manga very boring to read now. I'm not a fan of reading too much. In fact, I hate to read, but reading is very good to develop the brain. But I think I'll try as much as possible to start reading. It is not easy at all. Though today's episode, I want to see how it is going to go down. Though I don't know Jigen is going to kick their ass, I still want to see how it's going to go down. Without further ado guys, let's get right into the episode. Let's go guys. We are here. This is where we stopped in the last episode. Wow, look at that camera angle. That is insane, man. This is why I say I want to see it reanimated. Look at how insane it is. Let's go. Thanks to you. He was about to dump him there. You know, this is why Naruto need to learn the flying Raijin. When Jigen opened with the portal dimension, assuming he has the flying Raijin, he can easily just fly out of there, just like teleportation. Jigen won't even know. He won't be faster than Jigen himself. And maybe with flying Raijin, maybe he can be able to escape from here. I really don't know, but maybe it's just a speculation. Maybe he can escape. If Sasuke wasn't here now, Naruto is gone. That I just take Kawaki easily. This is insane. Let's go. All the air. Did you want to close the gates? This is insane. I'm taking direct command. Jeez, let's go. That is it. Let's go. I'm fired up for this. Ooh, did it just absorb it or what? It's so heavy. Jeez. And the reason it's more powerful is because yes, it's absorbing. And the reason it's more powerful. Not these things again. And the reason it's more powerful is because it absorbs some 10 things before you fold them. Assuming he didn't, it won't be this powerful. That is insane. Let's go. Whoa, the egg. Why don't Naruto just give you your chakra? Let's go, finally. We're seeing this for the first time in a long time. Look at that, he's just destroying them. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This guy is insane. Oh, Naruto took it from him. Let's go, Jigen. That is insane. That is amazing. Where is he? Oh, he used that technique. He used the, let's go. He used that technique. This clone just fooled us. Let's go. That was insane. Now they know what he's doing. Shift dimension. He moved himself to another dimension. What the heck? Yeah, bad news. Whatever you do, it's bad news. Let's go. That is Susanoo. Let's go. Kurama, our job still the same. Let's go. That is it. That is it. This is the first time I've seen them together. Let's go. Look at that. So this is the topic going on loud. Fine. Show me what you got. This guy is insane, man. Ooh. Dodge it. Ooh. What did he do? He's still go. Let's go. He's still on him. They're chasing him. Ooh. Ooh, let's go. They didn't get him. No, they didn't. In the manga, it was one hit he gave to Sasuke. What do you used to call it? The Susanoo. Ooh. Ooh. He connected to him. He connected to Sasuke. This is what they're supposed to do. If I was the one, what I'm going to do in this condition is you are going to combine the two defenses together to be harder to break out of. Just like what they did against Momoshiki. But they didn't do that. I don't know why. Ooh. Nice. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. What is he doing? Oh, the egg. Oh, the egg. First time I've seen Naruto like this. Ooh. Ooh. He hold him down. Ooh. He got in and he punched it. What the fuck, man? What the heck? Ooh. Oh, let's go, Sasuke. Let's go. What is he going to do? Ooh. Let's go. That is it. What is he going to do? Oh, he blocked it. He blocked with that damn thing. Ooh. Let's go, Naruto. That is it. Oh, he's beating the hell out of them. He's beating the hell out of them. There's still no chance at all. What's the matter? You don't waste your chakra. I think Naruto supposed to have more. Why can't Naruto heal Sasuke for God's sake? What is this? In the war arc, he was healing people as air. As he keeps on healing Sasuke, they're going to have a better chance. But no, he isn't. Why? Have they forgotten the ability? Hey, oof. I don't think it's going to work. No, it isn't. It doesn't matter. Or even if Naruto can't give him his chakra, why can't he just absorb some of Naruto's chakra? I'm sure Naruto still has a lot of chakra. It doesn't even matter if Kurama mode is no longer showing. He still has a lot of chakra. There are still a lot of options for them. Ooh, what's that? He's breaking. Ooh. Ah. This is insane, man. He's seriously bad. What is he going to do? Oh, he wants to see them away. Stop Naruto. So stay quiet. He did have interest in you in particular.
息子の方は別だがな。ボルトと言ったか。
Do you know Boruto, right?
家では会えず残念だったが、どうだ、順調に成長してるのか。
ボルトが何だってんだ。
とぼけるな、カーマだよ。あるんだろ、ボルトの体に。
ボルトをどうする気だ。
抑えろ、ナルト。うちはサスケ、もはや動く力も残されていないの。お前は
You are a different story.
ここで死んでもらうぞ。
I need to
時空
die
間
here.
忍術は邪魔だ。
Jeez! What the heck, man? Let's go! So you kick for him.
早く。
お前、
行け。サスケ。
Yes, he has gone. Wow.
ナルト。
What the heck?
次会う時がお前の最後だ。まだ生きてればの話だ。
What the heck?
そ
You better remember those
そっ
words.
くりそのまま返してやっからよ。
Closed it. It made it even smaller. That is really small. He made it to be as small as Naruto. He's tired. Ooh.
思った以上に消耗している。
Ooh, his hand fell off. What the heck? What the heck?
そんな。まさか。
What the heck? So guys, that was the end of the episode. It was really insane. Jeez, it was really insane. I wish I didn't read it in manga. I'll be in for a lot of fun, and I think this is the best episode by far in Boruto. Notice compared to the not even Momoshiki versus Naruto and Sasuke. This is something completely different. And seeing Kurama and the Susanoo now after a long time, and seeing Kurama really go all out was really insane. But I don't know if Naruto was using the Sage of Six Power Moon along with Kurama more, because he was unable to detect small Ishiki, because Ishiki can shrink himself to the level of an ant. He can't detect that. Why in the war arc he can detect Limbo clone that is in another dimension. You guys see how insane it is. It is really insane. I don't know why he can't do that. Maybe he has lost his Sage of Six Power Moon, but still in the data book say he has it, and we have seen him using it before in Boruto. But then why can't he sense all these little things that he can easily avoid? And also, why isn't he giving Sasuke chakra? Why? If he has been feeding Sasuke chakra along when they were fighting, I know it's about as if Naruto is powering him up, but that is Naruto's ability. He can easily repair Sasuke damage, and Sasuke, he can even give him more and more chakra, and the more chakra Sasuke has, the more durable it will be, and the more durable Susanoo too will be. Look at that, it was easily penetrated. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe they don't want to give Sasuke because to make Sasuke look weak, but we know that is not the case. Kurama has a lot of chakra. He can share his chakra to 2 equal half between him and Sasuke and still be able to fight Jigen. And I'm sure if they did that, they will be able to defeat him. I don't really know why they didn't do that at all. People really underestimate the power of Kurama, because in the war arc, he was fighting with only half. Imagine if he has the full. But I don't really know what to say. I really don't know what to say. That's the only pull I have from the episode. But apart from that, the rest was really good. I love the anime, and I know Naruto is not there now and we got him back, but still seeing everything in the anime was really insane, and I enjoyed it a lot. And if I'm going to give it a rating, I'll give the rating of 9/10. Yes, this is my episode so far. So guys, what's your opinion about the episode? Put it down in the comment section below. And also guys, if you enjoyed the video, a like would greatly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel to support the channel in order to grow. Remember guys, stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.